how to add an SSL certificate in GoDaddy. Now, the first thing that you need to know is that you need to purchase the SSL certificate subscription. So right here, I've just logged into GoDaddy. Go into pricing. Then you want to go into web security. And here you will see all of the different subscriptions as well as the price that they are offered for. So here, malware scanning SSL certificate, this is the cheapest one that we can get. Website security, basically you just want to get whichever one fits your needs. And then once you have the SSL certificate subscription purchased, then you click on your name in the top right. You will go to my products, and here it will show up a new tab for SSL certificate. All you have to do is link your domain, which is basically this one. If you have one domain, this is going to be your domain. So you're going to copy it. You will click on manage next to your SSL certificate tab here, and it will automatically connect and add an SSL certificate to the specific domain that you have specified in the previous step. So that's what you have to do. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.